In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase and use GarageSale. And GarageSale is an application for the Mac computer that makes it a lot easier to manage your eBay listings and upload new listings on eBay. Now, if you have a PC, unfortunately this video won't apply for you, but there are a lot of other great types of software that you can use. One that comes to mind is TurboLister, and there are also a lot of really great free tutorials on YouTube. Now, in my case, I have only used a Mac for as long as I've been selling on eBay, and I've also only used GarageSale, and this program has worked really well for me. So let's get started. So the best way to download and purchase GarageSale is through the Mac App Store. And you just want to go to the search bar and type in GarageSale with no spaces. And this first one that comes up is what you're looking for. Now this application is a one-time fee of $40, but it's definitely worth it because it allows you to manage all your eBay listings at once, which is great for testing headline titles or listing titles. And it also makes it really easy to create attractive listings and upload them straight to eBay. So I actually didn't purchase it through the App Store because I bought it before the App Store was around. But if you're just buying it for the first time, I'd highly recommend you go through the App Store, just because it's much easier than buying on their website. But you might want to go to their website page just to get video tutorials and helpful FAQs. So to do that, you just type in GarageSale, one word, into Google, and it's the first one that comes up. And then you scroll down and click on Support and Help. And here's a lot of great information on things you might be confused about. But for now, let's say you've just downloaded the application. It's going to look somewhat like this. And this is the main screen that you'll see in GarageSale. Now, when you download this application, it's not going to be linked to your eBay account. So in order to do that, you're going to want to click on the GarageSale in the top bar and then click on Preferences. And from here, you're going to want to click on the Account tab and then the plus button in the bottom left. And this is to link your GarageSale application with your eBay account. So here you can name your account, and this is just for your own personal use, and then click Authorize. And then you'll be taken to eBay's website, and it'll ask you to sign in. And once you're signed in, it just wants you to agree that you're willing to link your GarageSale and eBay account. So click on that. And that's it. So you've now authorized GarageSale to pull data from your eBay account. And you can just click Fetch Token, and that's it. And now we have a account that's linked together. Now, I don't know if you noticed, the short window came up that said this account is not eligible. And the only reason is because I just created this account as an example for this video, and I hadn't linked it to a PayPal account yet. So once you link your accounts together, you shouldn't get that message, and you should be good to go. So once you've created an account, you can create templates, and templates will save you a lot of time. So to create a new template, you click on the New Template up here, and now you get to choose from one of these pre-made designs. Now this application comes with over 50 pre-made designs, but personally I really like the clean ones and also the Pro design. So you can alternate between the two. The clean templates are very simple, and then the Pro designs are a little more advanced. Personally, I like this one, but you can just play around and see which themes you like the most. So let's just go with a really simple theme here. And how about this one? So you double click on it, and now that theme has been applied to this template. So here's our listing. So what's great about GarageSale is in your listing, you can just directly type anything you want. So you could say men's ring, and all this text is editable. Great men's ring made with high quality titanium. And then you also have all these editing tools up here for underline, bolding, change the font size, alignment, bullet points, numbered lists, and a lot of other great tools. What's also great about this software is you have a lot of options when it comes to where to place your product images. So here's a drop zone, which means you can simply drag a photo onto the drop zone and it'll appear right in your listing. But you can actually change the location of this drop zone by clicking on these different tabs. So images left just puts the image on the left side, or you can do images down, images up, and you have a lot of other options here. So this is really something that you're going to want to experiment with and play around and just get it how you like it. But the point being is you have a lot more options when you create listings with GarageSale than if you were to do it yourself directly on eBay's website. Now here we have a lot of information, and it's important that we fill this out. So the first one is to add a primary category, and that's because whenever you're selling anything on eBay, it needs to be listed in a category. So here, let's say I'm selling a men's ring. Just going to clothes, shoes, and accessories, men's accessories, and looking for the closest description that meets the ring criteria. Rings, there we go, and click OK. So now our product is in the right category, and it's getting closer to be ready to be listed on eBay. So here's our product title. Let's just call this Best Men's Titanium Ring 3000 Gauss, and you just want to make that title as descriptive as possible. Then you can do item description, new without tags. You can add a subtitle if you'd like. And then you could also edit your ships to and payments option. Now, editing directly through here is a little limited, so what you can do to get more information is click on this iInspector tab, and here it's a lot simpler to edit the important stuff for your listing. So for example, you can change the duration of your listing, the starting bid, or if you want to just do a buy it now price. So let's say I just want to buy it now at $24.95. And then you can use these enhancements to your listings. I don't recommend using these enhancements because most of the time they don't help you out and they're a waste of money. But if you want to do some testing with them, feel free. And then you could also put in your shipping information. So I usually like to put free shipping. And you could choose how you're going to ship the item. And then you can also update your return policy here. And finally, what payment options you accept. Now, you can get more advanced here if you'd like. So one option that I've used quite a lot in the advanced tab is the quantity. So let's say you only have 10 of these men's rings left. You can add that in right here. And you can also put in sales tax. But other than that, I highly encourage you to just experiment with the program until you become familiar with it, and you're going to make some really cool auctions. And once you've done creating your full auction and you're ready to list it on eBay, all you have to do is click on the Start Auction tab up here. Choose the eBay account that you want to use. So we just connected it with EJC. And click on Start Auction. And normally it's going to tell you the amount that it's going to cost you to list. In this case, this listing would cost us less than $1 to put up on eBay. Now, right now I'm getting the error from eBay, and that's simply because this eBay account that I created for the video is not linked to a PayPal account, but yours should be linked to a PayPal account by now, and you won't be receiving this error. So once you're ready, you click on Start Auction, and that's it. Your listing will now be on eBay.